Today I'm going to show you how to make this old-fashioned chocolate cream pie. This recipe is so fast and easy to whip up. It's made with simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, and it's the perfect option when you want to make something rich and silky smooth without a lot of fuss or special ingredients. It's so easy, and that's really what I love most about it. For the filling, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, 2.5 cups of cold milk, and a tablespoon of vanilla. This recipe is really so simple, and it's the cornstarch that is the superstar in this recipe. It's really what allows this chocolate pie to set up beautifully without the addition of any eggs or butter. In a saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, and salt until everything is combined. Then pour in your 2.5 cups of cold milk and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and is like a pudding consistency. Once the mixture has thickened, pour it directly into a pre-baked pie crust and then let it cool and then chill it for at least 2 hours before serving. If you want to learn how to make the perfect crust for this pie, make sure to check out my latest video on how to make an old-fashioned, super buttery, flaky, delicious pie crust. Once your pie has chilled and set, slice it up, add a little whipped cream if you want, and enjoy. Simple ingredients, simple steps, and incredibly delicious results. If you try this recipe, I'd super love to know how it went in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.